discussion is we forgot to record. You have to inform to me, Uma. I've told you now. Let me continue because it's the beginning. First, we how to create a new console application by using .NET. Step one is what open Visual Studio .NET. How to open Visual Studio .NET? How to open Visual Studio .NET? Just click on Visual Studio .NET icon and it will open Visual Studio .NET IDE. Next, what is that? Click on New Project and select language as Visual C#. Select type of application as console application and rename it as some name you can give. Whatever name you want you can give. My console application and location as E drive, location as D drive. Here you can observe one thing. What is a software platform? What is a software platform we are using? Harsha. What is the software platform we are using? Harsha.
Visual Studio, sir.
The software platform we are using is .NET. .NET is the software platform. What is the development environment? What is the development environment? Visual Studio. Visual Studio.NET is a development environment. What is the type of application?
Console application.
What is the language we are using? C#.NET.
C#.
What is the technology? What is the technology?
Console.
What is the technology? Console. Console. What is the runtime environment?
CLR.
.NET runtime environment CLR, nothing but framework. Okay. So now again I have a question. What is a software platform?
.NET.
And what is the development environment you are using?
Visual Studio.
Is the development environment. What is the type of application?
Console application.
What is the language?
C#.
What is technology?
Console.
What is the runtime environment?
CLR.
What is the name of the application?
Console.
What is the name of the application?
My console application.
You are saving.
D drive.
We are saving in D drive. Okay. Once you click OK button with this process, a new console application will be creating within the D drive of your machine. A new console application will be creating within the D drive of your machine. Now your new console application is getting creating. Now go to the D drive. Now go to the D drive. You can check. Go to the D drive in your system. D drive in your system, and you can check the name of the application which you created. Right now you see D drive and your name console application. My console application. My console application. So you can see the date also, May 12th, and according to my system it is 4:36 time. Okay, system time is wrong. So just now we created this application, right? So now we entered into console application development environment. One console application is created. It is called console application development environment because it is the environment is going to use by the developer to develop the application. Due to that reason, it is called console application development environment. Let us assume we have closed, we have developed one application and we closed the application. And the next day we want to open the same application. Means how to open the yesterday created application today. So again the process is, you can say again, open visual. One way is open Visual Studio.NET, and under recent you have under recent you have 10 to 15 projects which created recently. Then you can click your project name is, you can recognize what is the name of your created project.
My console.
Click this project name and then it will open your project which you created just now. This is the one way to open the created project. The second way is same way. Go to the location. Go to the location. Which location? D drive, and go to the My Console application folder. In this My Console application folder, when you went here again, you have one more My Console application folder, and you have My Console application file. You can observe here a type of file. First file type is folder. Second file type is second file type is second file type icon file type is, you can see what is this file type.
Microsoft
Microsoft
Visual
Visual
Studio.
Studio.
Solution file. This file is the solution file. Solution file. Solution file is nothing but it is the file which you can use to open your solution.
Open.
You can see some icon also here. This is the icon representing solution file. Double click the file. Now again it's opening your application which you created. This is the another model to open the existing project. Next, third way is open your Visual Studio.net and open project. Click open project. Click open project and go to the location. What is the location where you saved your project, in which drive?
D drive.
D drive.
D drive.
And My Console application folder. My Console application folder. Open that folder. When you open that folder, you can observe your solution file. First one is the folder, second one is the solution file. Select the file, click open. Now with this process also your project can open. In all these ways you can open the created project. Already you created that, you can open. Now we entered. Is my screen is visible to you clearly? Font, everything is fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any font size? Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are in console application development environment. This console application development environment will have mainly two windows. It will have mainly two windows. You can observe. Number one is the first window is called Solution Explorer window. Solution Explorer window.
Code window.
Number two is called Code window.
Code.
Any window if you want to open, here you have an option called View. You have an option called View. You can observe View, and if you want to open Solution Explorer, View Solution Explorer. Solution Explorer window is open, and anyhow it is called Code window. Code window is nothing but this window is called Code window. Finally, we
Yes.
understood that console application development environment has mainly two windows. Right. Now let's discuss about first window. First window is what? What is the first window? Solution.
Solution Explorer.
Solution. Solution. Solution Explorer. Solution Explorer window. Coming to the Solution Explorer window, this window has all the project related files. It will contain all the project related files. You can observe this is your project name. What is the name of your project?
My console application.
My Console application, and it will contain the files which you are using in the project. So it has so many files, but among that it has one important file. That important file name is program.cs. Means console application development environment will come with one important file. That file name is program.cs. Let's try to understand what is program.cs. Let's try to understand what is program.cs. Let's try to understand what is program.cs. Here program.cs is a C#.NET class file. Here you can say program.cs
It's a .NET class file.
is a C#.NET class file. C#.NET class file. Program.cs is a C#.NET class file. And what is a class file? We have to understand what is a class file. What is a class file? Said program.cs is a C#.NET class file. Next we have to understand what is a class file. What is a class file? The answer is class file is a class file can contain collection of classes. Class file can contain collection of classes. Can contain collection of classes. By default, every class file will come with single class, but it can contain multiple classes. For example, program.cs. You can observe program.cs is coming with a single class. That single class name is program. But by default, it will come with one class, but it can contain multiple classes. You can see class C1, next class C2. Right now it has how many classes, guys?
Two classes.
Three.
Three
C1,
classes.
C2, program.
Yeah.
That's why what I said, now you are open program.cs because your tab is clearly indicating that code window is opening the program.cs class file. So every class file can contain collection of classes. By default, every class file will come with single class, but it can contain multiple classes. For example, program.cs class file is coming with a single class by default program, but it can contain multiple classes. Just now you have written two classes. So, and a program class is coming with a special method. Program class is coming with a special method called main. So why we will call it as a special method? Because program execution starts by main method, controlling by main method, stop by main method. That means whenever we run this program, our .NET execution engine called CLR. CLR stands for what?
Common language.
The role of the CLR will be, it will execute this application. Execution will start from main. Means whenever you run the program, CLR will call main. Where are you? Main will say I'm here. Then it start executing from the main. First it will execute opening brace, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3 till it encountered the closing brace of the main method. Once it is encountered the closing brace of the main method, then CLR will understand console application program execution is completed. That is the reason what I can say, program class is coming with a special method called main. Why we are calling main is a special method? Because your application execution starts by main, controlling by main, and stop by main. So this was explained when I was explaining about programming approaches, object-oriented programming approach, procedural-oriented approach in the previous class. Okay. Now you can observe one more thing, that is main. Here main is the method. The method is the member of a class called program. Program is the class which is part of a file called program.cs. Program.cs is a file which is part of a project or application called my console application. Right. Next, one more important point is, you said program.cs is a C#.NET class file. Means every C#.NET class file extension will be .cs. Okay. Every VB.NET class file extension will be .vb. Program.cs is a C#.NET class file. Due to that reason, the class file extension will be .cs. Okay. Right, now come back to, this is a story about our solution explorer window. Now we people have to understand about second one. Second one is what? Second window is what? Code window. Second window is called code window. So generally code window will represent what? Code. Code window will be representing what? Code. But here you have to understand one important point, that is, yeah. Now here code will be in the form of what? Code will be in the form of what? Classes. Here code will be in the form of classes. Why classes? Because here we are using a language called C#.NET. That C#.NET is a object-oriented programming language. Due to that reason, in object-oriented programming language, your program is a collection of classes. So classes, if you want to write, you need a class file. That's why code window will display the class file. Code window will display the class file. Right now your code window is displaying which class file, guys? What is a class file? What is a class file? Program.cs. Yes. Tomorrow you may use some other class file also. I'll show you. By default, it is coming with one class file, but it can contain multiple class files also. Let me add, right click, add, new item, and class add. New class file is added. That new class file name is class1.cs. Old class file name is program.cs. Now you can observe, guys, right now you can observe my code window is displaying which class file?
Class 1 dot.
That is by how, which is highlighting in the corner tab, which tab is highlighted?
Class 1 dot.
Class1.cs. So code window is displaying class1.cs class file. It is coming with one class called class1. Now code window is displaying which class file?
Program dot.
Program.cs. Now code window is displaying which class file?
Class 1 dot.
Now code window is displaying which class file?
Program.cs.
Finally, we can say code window will display the selected class file. Whatever class file you are selecting, that class file it will display. I am deleting class1.cs. That is a story. So now onwards, we are going to write our programming initial days in a class file called program.cs. Program.cs. Some noise is coming from somebody. What is it? Program.cs. Now that's the reason it's better to understand the structure of the program.cs. Better to understand the structure of the program.cs, because now onwards we have to use program.cs file to write programming. So let's try to understand the structure of the program.cs file. You can see here, this is project name. What is the project name? My console application. Namespace is the keyword. Generally, keywords will be displayed in blue color. Your namespace is the keyword which is representing the namespace is a keyword which is representing the project. Before project, generally we will have the namespace keyword, and here program is the class name and class is the keyword. To define a class, we will use a keyword called class, and the project contain one class and the class name is program. And here you can observe one important point, that is this is a namespace block and this is program class block, and here you have a method. Any disturbances, mute yourself immediately. Right, that maintenance that has to take care by each and every individual should be feel very responsible about the training. Right, next coming to, yes, within the class you can observe, I'm sorry, disturbances, class block. You can see opening brace to closing brace is a block, and you can see here within the program class you have a method, because method is a member of a class. So here you can see the method name is main is the name of the method, and static and void are the keywords. What is the role of these keywords? Slowly you will understand once we entered into programming. Up to that, just remember that before main method we have a keyword called void. Before that we have a keyword called static. Main is the name of the method. And one more important point is this part is called signature. This part is called a signature. Generally, whenever you will define a method, the method will represent with signature. The parenthesis part technically called a signature. Generally, signature will contain parameters or arguments. Here we have an argument. The name of the argument is args. That argument data type is string. And here this is called subscription operator, because here args is a array parameter. So right now we don't require to worry about what is parameter, why parameter, all these things. Okay, that all the things we will learn in OOPS programming. Up to that you remember that this part is called signature. The signature part contain one parameter. The name of the parameter is args. The type, data type is string, and this is called subscription operator because it is array parameter. With this we are not going to do anything, so that is the reason what I am telling you, you don't require to worry. Next, it is main block. it is program block, it is namespace block. And one important point is according to the coding standards, every class name should start with capital letter. That's why program is the name of the class. Here P is the capital. Every method should start with capital letter. Due to that reason here main is the method name, M is the capital letter. And the project name will be with capital letters. Means let's say this project name contains 3 words. Every word is starting with capital letter. M is capital, C is capital, A is capital, my console application. And coming to these are all what you know, base class libraries. These are all base class libraries. Leave all the base class library, just remember only one. System is the base class library and using is the keyword. System is the base class library. Base class library is nothing but predefined class library which are provided by the Microsoft. Here using system means the meaning of the statement is I am using system base class library in this program. Means whenever you want to use a base class library in your program, you should write like in the top of the program above the namespace like using base class library name. For example, tomorrow you will implement multi-threading programming, then you will use a base class library called using system.threading semicolon. Day after tomorrow you are going to implement files programming, the base class library is using system.io like this, in this way. And every year every statement is ending with what? Semicolon. Here because you have written 3 statements. That is the story. Finally, you can say these 3 are the base class libraries and using is the keyword. So that is the story finally. Okay. Now this is the structure of a what file? Structure of which file? Structure of which file?
Class file program.
Program.cs file. Now you people has to do one thing now. What you have to do, you know? Right. You take a notepad. Immediately you write task for you. Task for you is write the structure of program.cs file with comments. Write the structure of program.cs file with comments from top to bottom. Come on, do it in notepad, all of you guys. I will check you. Pad where she has written the structure of the program.cs. Meanwhile, increase the notepad font size, which should be visible to all the people. Now, right. Yes. So I think you will get a message there. You have to say OK. Show my screen. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
But still we are unable to see your screen.
Oh. Can you just recheck, sir?
1 minute. Oh, already you are a presenter. No, okay. What's happening? We don't know. Let's see. I'll share other screen now. Uma, can I share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yes. You people will get a message. Now Uma screen. We are seeing Uma screen. You can observe. Right. Using system. Uma, you can observe here. Here colon is not required, right?
Okay.
Remove that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, na? Between using and system, you need a space. Okay. And after system, you need a semicolon.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, just to select the complete notepad file and increase the format font size. I'll show you some more mistakes. Here showing mistakes means generally we'll do the same mistakes most of the people. Increase the format, select the complete format, font, increase 24 or 18, 18, 18, 18, 18 is enough, 18, 18, 18, bold, okay, okay. Yes, enough. And the mistakes what she has done, observed guys, using system, okay, semicolon. Now another mistake is, main mistake you have done is, another mistakes are console application.
I think I
It's a
should.
project name. Project name will not have any spaces. Project name will not have
Okay.
any spaces. Console space application, never spaces. Remove the space. Very good. Okay, let's give name as my console. According to our application, my console, my. Over. Next biggest mistake is you use different parentheses. Actually here blocks are representing with curly braces.
Yeah, I couldn't find it on my laptop, so
It will be there. No, I'll
I
tell you.
just
I'll
used
show
that
you.
one.
Don't worry about that. It will be there. Above the, beside the P,
Above the enter button.
enter button, right? Above the enter button, and you will have shift key. Shift
Oh
press.
yeah, I got it.
Madam, press shift. Remove that. Press shift. Press. Remove it. Delete.
Alright.
First delete it. Right. Now you understood. Arrange like that. All of. Now very good. Now open. Close. Right. Right. Again close. Again instead of
Braces are
close.
missing.
Close.
Near string axle.
Right. We'll see. We'll see. Wait. Next, static
Yeah,
void
and this I
single
couldn't get it.
subscription operator. Those also below the in the same key you can observe without shift if you will press you will get the brackets. First left bracket, right bracket. Same,
Okay.
same key, madam. Okay, na? Right. Very
Yes.
good.
Okay.
Okay, na? Right. So this is the story. Generally, we will do this type of mistakes initially, but you remember, guys. Generally, keywords will be not having any. You can observe in your systems also. Keyword will not have any. What I can say uppercase. Here she has written using. Using is a keyword. U is a capital. Actually, U should be small. That's it. Very good.
Okay.
Enough. Okay, na? Right. All of you guys, I hope you have done. You also checked your systems. This is the story. I'm making myself as a presenter now. Right. Show my screen. Now you are seeing my screen. Right. This is the structure of the program.cs file. Now, are you able to write all of you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So you are identified that because here very simple thing is what has generally here system is the base class library. Using is the keyword. So keywords will be in blue color and keyword will be always in lowercase. It is already reserved word. No capital. Even though if you will try to write also it will not allow. She has written in notepad. That's why she is able to write. In computer if you want to write using it will never take, even though you write capital, it will take small only. But we should have the knowledge about that. And coming to the base class library and project name and class name and method name, everything will be in uppercase only. Starting letter will be uppercase. Okay. And here class is a keyword and these are all the blocks. Total the application contains Shravya. My program right now contain how many blocks?
3 blocks.
3 blocks. And first block is what?
Namespace block.
Opening brace to closing brace block. This is which block?
Class. Program class.
Block. This is which block?
Next is method. Method block.
Method block. Even though you write your program on paper, even though you write program on system, even though you write program on notepad, most of the people will do a mistake. The frequently doing mistake I'm going to show you now. The frequently doing mistake is people will do this mistake. I'll show you. Using system, right? Statement ending. Namespace, my console application. Frequently doing mistake is semicolon. Can I write?
No.
Can I write?
No.
Why?
No.
Somebody asked me a question. Sir, why here no semicolon? What is your answer?
Because program execution ends there only.
No, it is not like that. Actually, according to our yesterday features, every statement should end with the semicolon. Here, this is the statement. That's why it is ending with semicolon. But here it is not a statement. It is a block. Your block is opening here. So it is not a statement. That's why you cannot end with what? Semicolon. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right. That is the reason. Here we should not. Next people will say, can I write a semicolon here?
No.
Why?
That's a block.
Because it's a block.
It's a block. It is block. It is also block. That is the one mistake generally we will do. Second thing is people will write name space space. Can I?
No.
Why? Because it's a keyword. You cannot split that. Okay. And the other people will write my space console space application. Can I?
No, sir.
Because
There
project
shouldn't be
name
any
will not have any spaces. Any spaces. Next people will write like class program, and here people will write like this. Can I?
No.
What's the
There
problem?
should be a space between the class and class name.
Between keyword and your class name should be what? Space. Okay. Now, next to the people will do another mistake. I'll show you. And after this, let me write the code like this. Static void main string subscription operator args open the brace and close the brace. Actually, this is a structure. So how many blocks are there?
3 blocks.
3 blocks. Remember, namespace block husband, wife, husband, wife, husband, wife. My question is, right, it is the closing brace of which block?
Of my static void.
Main block. It is a closing brace of which block?
Class.
Program. Class block. It is closing brace of which block?
Namespace.
Namespace. Our people will write the program like this. Generally, what will happen? They will write general mistakes, frequently doing mistakes. What is the problem in this?
There are more closing braces, sir.
Now you cannot recognize which closing the closing brace is
Identify the blocks.
So it's very difficult to identify. This is the one model people will write. Another one is opening brace here, closing brace will be here. Opening brace here, closing brace will be here. Are you clear? So opening brace here and closing brace will be here. This is the another one. So don't do all these things because recognizing and the readability of the code will be very difficult if you will write the program like this. So these are all the mistakes generally people will do. So don't do all these mistakes. Okay, right. Now next, before starting first program today, tomorrow we'll start the programming. Before that, I'm going to give you .NET installation steps. Right? How many are done installations already?
Me, sir. I have it.
Uma, you're done now?
Yes, sir.
You're very fast, it seems. Very good. Next, anybody?
Sir, I have done it.
Who is that? Harsha. Next.
Yes, sir. Shiva.
Shiva. Next. Right. Let me explain. .NET installation process will be divided into three three steps. Step one is installing IIS or configuring IIS. Here, what is IIS? What is IIS? IIS stands for Internet Information Services. Internet Information Services. IIS is a IIS is a web server. It is a web server which is providing by the Microsoft with all Windows OS. By default, when you take Windows operating system CD, in that CD you will have a software called IIS. You don't require to go anywhere. In your OS CD you will have IIS. So step one is installing. First you have to install IIS. That IIS will be available in your Windows OS. You check right how to install IIS. I'll share you documents to you. I'll share you documents to you, but up to that you remember what is IIS. It's a web server which is provided by the Microsoft with Windows OS. So why IIS, you can ask me question. Why IIS means after you develop any website, to make available that website to all internet users, we have to deploy or you have to install your website into some web server. When we are discussing about features of web application should be installed in remote web server. I said that web server is IIS. For ASP.NET web applications, the web server which we have to use is IIS. To run, why IIS means to host or to host to host ASP.NET web application, we need a web server called IIS. Right now, we are not hosting any remote servers. In your system only you will have a IIS web server. With the help of that IIS web server, we will run your ASP.NET application. Due to that reason, slowly you will understand about that. First step is you remember installing IIS, because IIS is a web server. It is required for your ASP.NET web applications. And how to install IIS, how to configure IIS, I will share you a document to you people in our Facebook group. In our Facebook group, if you will go to the files section, there you will have, I'll show you the three documents now. Step two is, yes, installing SQL Server. Installing SQL Server. Here SQL Server is a RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. It is a back-end technology. Using this, we can create the databases. We can manage the databases. So step two, first order, IIS should be installed. Second should be SQL Server should be installed. How to install SQL Server? If you have CDs, the installation steps PDF I can share you. I'm going to show you. Step 3 is installing .NET software. .NET software, nothing but you can say Visual Studio.NET. Visual Studio.NET. That is the last. It is your front-end technology. You can say it is web server. Second, database server, back-end technology, and this is front-end technology. So this is the way you have to follow. You can do two ways your installations. Number one is these softwares step SQL Server, .NET CDs. If you have, you can do without help of internet. If you don't have this, you can download the free trial versions, which is valid up to 3 months from the Microsoft website. Now regarding if you have CDs, if you want to follow the steps, I have prepared some PPTs that I'm going to show you now. Right, 2 minutes. I'm hiding my screen. I'm going to my Facebook group. Just hold for 2 minutes, guys. I'm hiding my screen. Right. Now you can see our Facebook group. This is our group and it is a URL of the group. The URL of the group, if you don't have, I'm sending through chat now. I send the link to you. Log into this Facebook group and you should be registered, means you have to, when you log in with the help of ID and password, I'll get the request. As an admin, I have to approve you. Once I approve, you can access this. This is a pure technical group which is having 50,000 plus members. All are our students only. Okay, maximum. And you can invite your friends to this group also, and that will be possible through invite by mail here, or enter name and the mail IDs of the people here, add members. You can add. And in this, you will have completely subject related discussions. You can observe all our students are posting tasks, whatever I'll give in Hyderabad trainings. Okay, even though you can also participate in this. And come back to here, you can see I said there will be some docs now. I'm going to show you three files. One file is related to IIS installation. One file is related to SQL Server installation. One file is related to .NET installation. Go to the files section. Go to the files section. Go to the files section. In files section, there will be so many files will be there. There you can find somewhere. Right, you can identify three files. IIS installation steps PDF, installing SQL Server doc, .NET installation steps. .NET installation steps. These three, if you will follow, you can do it. Suppose operating system to operating system, actually that is installation of the IIS will be differ. So you check it, and if it is not supporting, I'll give you one concerned person, and you can take the help of YouTube also. There you will have some videos regarding your issues, and you can take the help of internet. Still, if you have a problem, I'll give you one concerned person from India number. He will help you regarding that. That is last choice. And the second thing is how to do this installation through internet. I have prepared one document, and through Microsoft site how you can do installation. Definitely I'll share that doc file to you people today, and you can follow that, and with the help of Microsoft, www.microsoft.com, you can download the trial versions. So these are all the things we can follow to regarding what .NET installation. My advice to you all the people, tomorrow we are going to start programming part. So by the time maximum try coming 2 days, you try to complete the installation process. Okay. So you need any help, we'll take care about you. Don't worry. Mutually, I'll help you people. I'll give you somebody, they'll help you regarding installations. And tomorrow also we have the class. Actually, tomorrow I'm going to out of station.
Hi sir, this is Bhaskar.
Yeah, wait. Oscar, wait. Anybody wants to talk to me, please wait. Let all the people leave. We are going to discuss. Right. So, right. We'll start today from variable. What is variable? What is variable? Very first basic level concept in programming language. When you are learning any programming language, you will have this concept called variable. Variable is a field. Variable is a field which represents some value, but that value can be changed. Variable is a field which represents some value, which holds some value, but the value can be changed. Okay. Now syntax to declare a variable. Syntax to declare a variable. Syntax to declare a variable is, let me give you the syntax, that is data type and variable name equal to value. Data type, variable name equal to value. Here a data type means the type of the value which you are going to store. Variable name is user defined. Value is the content what you are going to. Here I'll give you three types of three types of data types I'm introducing now. From numerical data types, one data type called int, string, next floating data type called double. Three types I will introduce to do basic programming. Guys, are you getting my voice, all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Kalyani,
Yes, sir.
I think it seems she is having a problem. Now, are you getting Kalyani now? Kalyani, if you are not getting my voice, relog in. Relog in. Okay. Now, let me give you three examples here. First, before data types, we will work with basic programming for to understand about variable. String, yes, let's say string s equal to Rama. Yeah, here string is data type, s is name of the variable, field name, and Rama is the value. You know very well string data should be enclosed with the double quotes. Next, int a equal to 10. Same. A is a variable name, int is a data type, it is one of the numerical data type, 10 is a value. Next, double b equal to 10.5. Double b equal to 10.5. 10.5. So here b is a variable name, double is the data type, 10.5 is the value, floating data type. So because of this statement, what will happen, one variable will create, the variable name is yes, like, and it will be holding a value called Rama. It will be holding a value called Rama. And yes, into b equal to 10 means here it will create a variable called a, and it will be holding a value called 10. And double b equal to 10.5, here it will create a variable called b and holding a value called 10.5, 10.5, like that. So that is a story. So right now with this, with the help of this, we'll write one program now. Yes. Example to declare three variables to store. Example to declare three variables to store three values. So the three variables are same. Whatever variables is in front of you, same variables I want to declare. Means what exactly? What are the variables you have right now? To store three variables to store three values.
String variable.
Three values
Double.
and print three values by using variables. By using variables. Okay. By using variables. Right. What are the three values? Same three values. The output should be like this. Means first create this variable and hold a value called Rama. Second, create this variable, hold a value called 10. Third, create this variable, hold a value called 10.5. And Rama has to print with the help of S. 10 has to print with the help of A. 10.5 has to print with the help of B. Yes. For this, you have to write the program. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, come on, right. See, what I am expecting, listen, observe this OP, guys. What I am expecting like this. The output should be like this. First to create one variable. What is the first name of the variable, Uma?
Rama. S.
Yes.
Rama.
Is what? Value is what?
The string. String S equals to Rama.
No. Value is Rama. Value is Rama. And variable name is? Variable name is yes. And data type is? Data type is what? String. Data type is string. This is not working fine. Okay. Data type is string. Okay. So like that. See here, I'll show you in Notepad otherwise. Yeah. Three variables you have to declare like this only. And print those values with the help of variables. That's it.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah, over.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Yeah, come on. Yeah. How many are completed program?
I finished, sir.
Who is
I
this?
finished.
Umana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, speak out your names. Who
Me
are
also.
completed? Next.
Ramadas.
Next.
Kalyan.
Raman.
I
Next.
did, sir.
Sir.
Very good, very good.
So me.
Now I'm writing the program. Urmil, over. Over. Urmil. Urmil. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to write the program. Come on. Uma, tell me the code.
It's string
Hmm.
S equals to in the bracket drama
Next.
and int
Hmm.
A
Hmm.
equals to 10
Then
and double
double.
B
Hmm.
equals to 10.5.
Now tell me.
Now
Hmm.
console dot write line
Console dot write line.
and then it comes S
Right. Next.
and console write line
Hmm. Hmm.
A
Hmm.
console write line
Hmm.
B
D. Hmm. Hmm.
console
Hmm.
read line.
Console dot read line. Console dot read line. Okay. This is the program, right?
Yeah.
So now
Yes.
compilation and execution. Compilation and execution. Right. Compilation and execution. No. Right. This is the program. Whenever you run this application, program execution starts by main method. Program execution starts by main method. Whenever we run this application, program execution starts by which method? Main method. First,
Main method.
yes, it will execute this statement. This statement will create a variable. Name of the variable is S and value will be Rama. Then it will execute this statement and name of the variable is A and value is 10. And this will next it will execute this statement. It will create a variable called B, value is 10.5. Then after this, write line of S means write line method will print S content. What is S content?
Rama.
And will move
Rama.
the cursor to next line. Then after this, console dot write line of A. Your write line will print A content. What is the A content?
10.
And will move the cursor to next line. And console dot write line of B. Write line method will print B content. What is the B content? 10.5 and move the cursor to the next line. And after this, control will execute read line. Read line is holding the command prompt to window. So that is the story about this program. I hope you have written. Next, I'm giving second requirement to all the people. Okay, this basic level programming is very, very important. Now you see. Task, second task is write a console program to declare. Immediately you people better to take the requirement on paper. In the beginning onwards, if you will have that habit, it will be good for you in later classes because in later advanced, you will have very big examples. Requirement taking is very, very important. Father is telling to you that go to vegetable market, but you didn't listen properly, but you went to chicken market. Okay, that is the problem here. The problem is what? It's not the problem of the father. This is the problem of the child didn't listen the requirement clearly. Okay, right. Write a console program to declare two variables to store name and age and print with the help of variables. Print with the help of variables. This is the task, and the output should be right. Output should be guys. Output should be what exactly right. For example, his name is Kishore and his age is 20. Okay, for this requirement you have to write the program. Can you? Now, yeah, come on. Yeah, Shravanti, come on. Give me the code. Tell me the code.
Name equal to Kishore.
Name equal to
String, sir.
string. Very good. Name equal to
String equal to Kishore.
Kishore.
Yes.
What age? Data type.
Int.
Very good. Age equal to.
Age equal to 20.
Next.
Console dot right line. Name.
Name. Next.
In console dot right line.
Console dot right line.
So we should put the name.
Sorry. Okay. Next.
Console dot age. Console dot read line.
Console dot read line. My question to all the people. How many are able to write the program? I'll check one by one. Bhaskar, are you able to write code? Giri?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Giri, fast. Poonam. Okay. See, almost all people are able to write the program. Even though you can see Sravanti, Uma, these are all not computer science people. They are BCom background people, I hope. But they are writing coding. See, I'm sure background is not matter. How serious is matter here? Okay, right. Let me trace the program. Let me trace the program. Compilation. Because I'll feel very responsible about the training about every student. Don't take it as in negative, because I am not only the person, I will not be the responsible only by when I am collecting money. At the time of collecting money, as well as at the time of work, at the time of training, more and more. You should be more than what I am expecting. Okay, be regular. Don't miss a single session. Even though you miss a single session, it will be effective like anything. When you run this program execution starts by main, string name equal to Kishore. One variable is created. What is a variable name? Variable name is what? Variable name is what? Name.
Kishore.
No. Variable name itself name. Variable value is what?
Kishore.
Kishore. That understanding is important. Variable type is what?
Data type string, sir.
String.
Variable type. And here, variable name is what?
Age.
Variable value is what?
20.
20. Variable type is what?
Integer.
Integer. Okay, right. And after this, right line of name. Right line of name. It will print name content. Name content is what? Kishore. And move the cursor to next line. And right line of age. It will print age content. Age content is 20. And move the cursor to next line. Next line. That's it. Right. I hope you are able to write the program.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next task for you, write a console program. I'm changing the different styles here. To store, write a console program to store employee information. That is employee number, comma employee name, comma employee salary, and print output is, let's say employee number 111, store and print. Employee name Rama, store and print. Employee salary 1000, store and print. My question is, employee number to store you need one variable. Give the name of the variable as ENO. What is the data type here, Harsha? ENO.
Integer, sir.
It's a string.
Integer.
It's an int.
Employee name Rama to store into one variable. Variable name is ename. Let's take. Data type is for ename. String. And salary is 1000 and storing into variable called esal. Data type can be double. You take data type as double. Why double? We'll discuss at the time of data types. Come on, this is a requirement. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on, pause. Because I can write the program, but what is the use? Because tomorrow in your job, you have to write the program, right? Over, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Done.
Okay, na? Right. Next, yeah, done. Guys, okay, we'll write the program. How many are able to write the program?
Me.
I can write, sir.
I
Right,
completed.
right. Seven, are you able to write? Seven.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Good,
sir.
good. Biological science student, I think. Good. Right, very good. Uh, Uma, are you able to write?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, yes. Come and tell me the code. Urmil, come and tell me the code.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Int employee number equal to 111.
ENO
Semicolon.
equal to 111. Very good.
Column string employee name equal to Rama.
Ename equal to Rama. Next.
Int employee salary equal
No,
to
no. Salary,
1000.
I asked you to take double. Why is double? Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Is
Double salary.
double.
Yeah.
Next. 1 minute. Wait, wait. Sammy, continue the code. Sammy, continue. Sammy. Now, Vinil,
Yes, sir.
continue.
Console dot write line.
Very good, very good. Be ready for my, whenever you get the chance, console.write line.
Your name is
ENO.
Your name is ENO.
ENO. ENO. Sammy, your
Yes,
friends
sir.
are attending classes in Hyderabad. Your two friends.
Yes.
They are
Okay, sir.
regular. Simultaneously, they are attending. E-name, right. Yes, next.
Console dot write line.
Uh,
ESAL.
is right. Next.
Console dot read line.
Console.readline. Readline. Okay, right. Console.readline. Okay, guys. Right. I hope everybody are able to write. Compilation and execution.
Semicolon. Semicolon.
Yeah, okay. It's giving error.
Read
I
line.
think we have missed semicolon.
On read line, sir.
Right. Yeah. Build and execution. When you run this application, program execution starts by main method. First, this variable will create. Second, this variable will create. Third, this variable will create. And next, right line of ENO, 111 will print. Move the cursor to next line. Right line of ename, Rama will print. Move the cursor to the next line. Right line of ESAN, 1000 will print. Move the cursor to the next line. And console.readline. Very good. Come on. Right. Same style. Right. Okay. Now task for you, write a console program to declare, to store, to store, to store student information, that is student ID, that is student, I'm sorry, student number, student SID, otherwise student ID, student name, student name, student location, student location, right? And let's say 123 Sita and the location Hyderabad. Come and write the program, guys. Right, Aura?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, yes. Now, come on. Kalyani, tell me the code. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Int SID equal to 123.
Int SID equal to 1 to 3. Come on.
String sname equal to Sita.
Sita. Now, Poonam, continue the code. Poonam, continue the code.
String S location equals to Hyderabad.
String S location equal to Hyderabad. Okay. Now,
Console dot write lines
Vinil,
of
come on, continue the code. Vinil,
SID.
continue the code. Vinil, Shiva, continue the code.
Console dot write line.
Console.writeline.
SID.
SID. Next.
Console dot write line.
Console.writeline.
S name.
S name. Okay. Next.
Console dot write line.
Console.writeline.
Student location SL.
Cell was over. Right? Yeah. Compilation and execution. Whenever you run the application, program execution starts by main. First, this variable will create. Second, this variable will create. Third, this variable will create. Right line of SID. Right line method will print SID. SID is nothing but right now 1, 2, 3. And after that, it will move the cursor to next line. Right line of S name, it will print Sita and move the cursor to the next line. Right line of SLOC, that is Hyderabad, and move the cursor to the next line, and console.readline. Right. Okay. Next. Write a console program to student to store.
Sir, I have a question here.
Yeah.
Like, can we print two values in a single console write line statement, sir?
Sure. You will get, wait, step by step. Okay. So, Annaprasana day, we will give only payasam, that too 1 or 2 spoons. Okay, suppose every couple will come and will give a spoon of payas to the child. What will happen? Vomiting. Right? Slowly we will go ahead. Just follow me. That's it. Okay, we'll see all the angles. Okay. Write a console program to store student or customer. We'll write one more program. Customer information. Customer. First of all, I want to give a feel that to you people, I am writing programming. You should get that feel. Second feel is you should get a feel that programming is very easy. Once you will get this, we can play volleyball, football together. Customer information, write a console program to store customer information. That is cust ID, cust name, and the cust location. Similar program. Cust location and print. Customer ID is 101. Customer name is John. Customer location is Jersey is the city, I hope, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
State.
City or state? Jersey.
SCY, JERSCY.
SCY. In New Jersey, it is a city, I hope. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Come on. Write the program. Right. Over.
Yes, sir.
Right. Maintain silence in the class. Okay. Except my voice, your voice, and keyboard sound and paper sound. Nothing else has to come in the class. Right. Come on. Okay, guys. We'll write the program. Yes. Vinil, have you written code?
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing your screen. Can I?
Yes.
Right. Share. Make presenter Vinil.
Share from the whiteboard.
Yeah. Are you have written in code in Visual Studio, right?
Yeah, yes, I have written.
Yeah. Now, are you getting any pop-up? Show your screen
Yeah, yes.
pop-up. You accept it.
Yeah. Share from the web or what?
What are the option you got? Yeah, you click OK.
Share from
Whatever
the
message
cloud
you
or
got. Yeah. Web.
share from the web. Share from the whiteboard.
You say whiteboard. Let's see. I don't know about this. Huh. Did you click OK?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right.
I'm not getting, sir, here.
It's okay. Now, Pandu, can I share your screen? Pandu.
Something is getting here.
Okay, fine. Next, Pramada, or else Poonam.
Yes, sir.
Poonam, can I share your screen? It's a random checking. That's it. Nothing else. Making all the people alert in the class. Next time, I'll not ask you also.
No, sir.
Bhushan, can I?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right. Bhushan, make presenter Bhushan. Yes. You presenter. Okay. Everybody should be on alert in the class. Right. Yeah. Come on. Visual Studio. What is this color?
Can you see?
Okay, fine. Uma, I'm sharing you. Make presenter.
Okay, sir.
Uma, right. Uma. Now. Yeah, get ready with your Visual Studio. Keep big font size always because I don't know when I will share whose screen. I've shown you how to change the font size. Tools, Uma, tools, menu,
Yes,
tools,
sir.
tools, options. Next, yes, font and colors, left side, font and colors. Right, and increase the size here. Check drop down list. 24. Okay, no problem. Enough. That is enough. Bold. Checkbox. Bold. And even the Arial console. That is an Arial block. Font bold.
This one?
The above drop down list. Something is there. Na style. There Arial. I think Arial. Right. Come on. Okay. Okay, all of you guys just increase the bit size, not much. This is enough. Okay, because student screen this one. Now maximize your screen, Uma. In last batch also highest scored girl Uma. This time also Uma. Huh? Let's see what will happen.
Hold on, sir. 1 second.
Close all. Okay, fine. Enough. It's okay. I'll explain. Guys, you observe. Run the application, Uma. Just show the code. Show the code at least. Show the code. Enough. Prabha, guys, code is right or wrong?
Right, sir.
All of
Correct,
you.
sir.
Correct.
Right.
Okay, enough. Is there again? I'm coming back. Myself. I'm going to be presenter now. Show my screen. Now I'm giving another task for you guys. That is okay. Now another task is right. Write a console program to store student subject marks, that is M1, M2, M3. M1, M2, M3. 3 subjects. Even the 10th class student also can learn programming in our training. Any 10th class brothers and sisters, anybody are there, let them sit in C# class. If we learn programming in my training, they will play very important role in any other platform called Java or anywhere. M1, M2, M3. And calculate total marks and display only total marks. Display only total marks. Okay guys, the expectable output is, for example, 60 is the first subject, 70 is the second subject, 80 is the third subject. What is the total marks? 7?
210.
86.
So just output should be 210, like that. Come on, write the program.
Done, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. Completed, huh? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What we have to do for this, actually, we have to declare 3 variables to store 3 subject marks. Okay, actually you can go with floating point data types also. Let's say right now we didn't discuss about data types, that's why I'm going with the numerical. M1 60 into M2 70 into M3 80. And let's say into tot marks equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3. Console dot write line tot marks. Console dot write line tot marks. This is the program. Come on, compile
Okay.
it. Right, have to write the like this. Check your program, all of you.
Sir, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
I wrote this console write line M1, then console write line M2. You don't have to mention all
Not
these.
required, not required. We want to display here the requirement. Based on requirement, you have to go. Display only total marks.
Okay.
After
Sir, I did
calculation.
I didn't assign a variable for total marks, sir. I
Okay,
just
but
added
we need because it has to store 3 subject marks. That's why. See,
Okay.
requirement. That's why father said that go to vegetable market, bring some vegetables. But child went to fish market. Okay. But child thought that I want to go to some market, want to bring something. But requirement is father expectation is what? Vegetables. Compulsory we have to bring only vegetables. Because he is the right person to give the requirement. Here we have to depend on the requirement. Okay. Right. No problem. But that's why I'm telling you. Father tell to the child that go to Bangalore and bring something. He went to Chennai. After went to Chennai, he was called to father, I am in Chennai, what you want? Then father is telling that, no, I didn't say to go to Chennai, I told to you to go to Bangalore, but only single word mistake. Okay, but he traveled whole day to travel to Chennai. Listening the requirement is very, very important. Understand. Moral of the story is listen properly. Right, come on. I'm sorry. I have written program and I am writing again. Int m1 equal to 60. Next, into m2 equal to 70. Into m3 equal to 80. And 2 into total marks equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3. Console dot write line total marks and console dot read line. Console dot read line. Okay, right. So the question is how this program is executing is also very important. Compilation and execution. Okay, how this is executing. First control will execute this statement. One variable will create. Variable name M1 value 60, M2 70, M3 80. After that here you concentrate. This is somewhat new for us. Here you can see you have LHS, you have RHS, you have assignment. My question to you people is this statement will execute in how many levels, how many phases? In 1 shot, in 2 shot, in 3 shot?
3 shot.
Yes.
So many shots.
Actually people will feel that the statement will execute in 1 shot. No, it will execute in 3 shot. First it will execute RHS. RHS is what? 60 plus 70 plus 80. 60 plus 70 plus 80 plus 80. Then finally output is, what is this here? 210. 210 value will be replaced in this place. 210. This is replaced with 210. Next LHS will execute. LHS will create a variable. What is a variable? Choke marks. After that control will execute assignment. That assignment will do what? It will assign the 210 into the variable. 210 into the variable. Assignment 210 into the variable. Okay now, so like that. So this is the way it will execute. Always you try to understand first RHS, second LHS, third assignment. After that right line of total marks. Total marks is how much? 210. So 210 will be printing and read line. This is the story. Okay, right. Now come back to open lab book, guys. Lab book. I'll share your screen and we'll give some assignments. Who are regular for the class, who are regular for assignments only will get the result. Otherwise remaining people will have an assumption and for them .NET training will become history. Once upon a time I was attending .NET online training. You will tell to your kids. Okay, but nothing will happen. Guys, now open lab book, guys. All of you guys open. You have hard book open, you have soft book. Any one book open. Open now.
Yes, sir.
Uma, I'm sharing your screen.
Yes, sir.
Let's give the assignments for our people. And I think I will save this file in my system also. I forgot to save. It's there in mails. Okay. Now I hope, where are we? Go down, go up. I've given all these tasks already.
We did till 10, sir. We did, yes, the week until 10.
You're done
Here
up
we
to
did.
10 completed, huh?
And the
Yes, sir.
No, your people are very...
you also, sir. I mean, I sent you, sir.
Okay, fine. I'll give you requirement on notepad then. Okay. Those tasks are okay, up to date. I'm giving you a couple of requirements to you. Come on. Record on your book assignments. One is write a console program. Store student 3 subject marks. Calculate total marks, ABG marks, and display marks, display total marks, and AVG marks. Right, this is the first task. Write a console program to store 3 products cost, that is P1 cost, first product, that is P2 cost, comma, P3 cost, and calculate total bill. Third program. Write a console program to store 3 products cost, and calculate total bill, and give 10% discount. Display the total bill after discount. Fourth, very important programs. Write a console program to store 3 products cost, calculate total bill, and calculate, and give 20% discount, and after discount, calculate 10% tax, after tax, display the total bill. That's it. Have you recorded?
Not yet, sir.
Notepad or pen or what? Pen book is better according to my knowledge. I'm displaying one by one. First task, second task, third task, fourth task. Taken 4 tasks, all of you?
Not yet, sir.
Please record one by one. First one over.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm on the fourth one.
Pen paper best. Second over. Third. And fourth. Sir, give me the OP window. No, I'll not give. Only requirement. Based on that, you have to think, you have to design what should be the OP. Whenever you want to write a program, first design like OP and how many variables, what is the logic, everything you have to write. Then first OP mathematical calculations write on paper, then only go for program. So house plan first, house first, Uma.
Say that again, sir.
House construction is first or house plan is first?
House plan is first.
House plan is first. Like that. First before program, this is house plan. Okay, writing programming is constructing the, because A 10, B 20. Okay, next A plus B, like that. Okay, I'll show you tomorrow, but you try your level best. Thank you very much. And one more thing I'm expecting from you.